Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Now in this video we are going to learn about Quizlet app. Now, the Quizlet app is a learning app. It is useful for both the teachers and students. And in this video we are going to learn about how to use the Quizlet just by uh, clicking in it. That means without any sign up. So we have two options in the Quizlet app. You can use the Quizlet app or you can enrich your Quizlet app for your students. So that is for the teachers. Now in this video, the first video on Quizlet, I am going to tell you about how to use the Quizlet app without signing up. For signing up, you need email and some password also. So let us begin the video for the Quizlet app. Now when you open your mobile and open the Play Store, type like this Quizlet, then you will get the results of the search. Here you have got the Quizlet app. Now the how the Quizlet app is there, you have blue color symbol uh, with a Q written in white color. Now I have already downloaded it, so I am going to open it. Now the advantages of Quizlet is it is an editor's choice app. That means it has some good features for learning or something. Okay, now the rating is also very good. It is 4.7 now. Okay, so it is a very good app for learning and for enriching and for teachers also. It is a very good app to conduct the formative or any objective multiple choice questions test for the students. So let us enter into the Quizlet app. Now I am clicking on open. Okay, so when you click on open, then you will get four screens here. So here if you are, this is the first screen, this is the second screen when you move it, then this is the third screen, and this is the fourth screen. Now this fourth screen here, you look at some plus here, plus symbol here. Okay, so this plus symbol is for teachers who want to add some multiple choice questions or something to the app. Now we are just not going into that. We are just learning the Quizlet app, learning the some material in Quizlet app. So you just click on this third screen on uh, search Quizlet. Okay. Now I have entered into the app. Now you will get a screen like this. You have some sets, you have some classes, you have some users. Three options are there. So if you want to learn something, you don't go for the other two. Just get into the first one, that is sets. Okay. Now the second one is for classes. Classes means if you are in an institution, you are studying in some school or college. If the school or college creates some classes, then you will see that there. Okay. Now when you go to the users are the teachers uh, who actually develop some material and upload that into this. So now we are going, these two options are not for us because we have not signed up. Okay, just we go to the sets. Okay, in these sets, that means you will get some learning material in the type of MCQs or some other questions form in this. Now the first thing is to go into the search box and write some topic in that. Suppose I want to study about atoms. So you type it there and click on the search button. Then you will get some questions that are already prepared by some other teachers. So that are there in this. So now we reached to the results now. Okay, here we have got some different options are there. Now I will teach you one by one. What are you looking at here is this is the topic name, and the second one here you are looking at 11 terms. That means you are going to learn 11 terms in this, and this is the name of the creator. That means the teacher who has created it. Now I have already practiced it, so I am not going to teach you that. Now I am going to the third option here. Here you have a small lesson or small test on the atoms, learning about 8 terms, and he is a teacher who has created it. Now we go and click on that. Okay, when you click on that, what 8 terms you are going to learn, so that are given at the top of the screen. So first one is this is the first one, atomic number. Okay, now when you scroll, atomic mass, an atom, nucleus. So these are the all 8 terms that you are going to learn. And what actually you are going to learn is also given below that. And here what are you looking at here is the 8 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And one beautiful thing is you can listen to the questions also here. Suppose if you go here, you have the option of the mic. Okay. Suppose if you go and click on
atomic mass, total weight of protons and neutrons.
So like that, you can listen to the question and answer also in this app. Now, here when you are going to learn it, you have 5 options here. First one is learning, second one is flashcards, third is write, fourth is match, fifth is test. Okay. Now I am going to teach you one by one. Okay, right. First, when you click on the learn option, then you will get a screen like this. Okay. So we are going to study 8 terms. This is the first question. What is the first question? A chart of elements showing the repeating pattern of their properties is called a periodic table. Okay, now you click on the right option, then you will be seeing the green color option. The positively charged dense center of the atom is called nucleus. Okay, nucleus. Okay, next. Number of protons in an atom is atomic number. Okay, right. Smallest unit of matter is atom. Okay, right. Now when you click on the wrong option, that will show the right option and the wrong option also. Now I am going to experience that. Total weight of protons and neutrons is actually it is atomic mass. Okay, now if I click on the periodic table, okay, now this is the wrong answer. So what is the right answer? It is atomic mass. Okay, so like this you are going to learn it. If you are right, if you are wrong, then it will correct you. Okay, next, a subatomic particle that has no charge, that is neutron. Okay, neutron. A subatomic particle that has negative charge, okay, electron, right. Total weight of, so this question we have answered wrongly. Again the question is appearing here. So now you can learn for the second time. The question is appearing. Now we will take it the right answer. What is the right answer? Mass. Okay, mass. Now here it is showing the results. I have done the options very slowly, so that's why it is getting only, I'm getting only 38% of marks here. Okay, so all the 8 to 8 I have answered all the 8 questions. Okay, now if you go and continue, then it is showing the same question in another manner. Here you have to type the term. Okay, it is writing, so it takes a lot of time, so I am not going there. Now I am going to the second one, flashcards.
Atom.
So in this flashcards, you will get all the 8 terms like a card, flashcard. Now the beautiful thing is, if you know the thing, then you scroll it in the right side. Okay, move it in the right side. You see a green color option here, and here you have a yellow color option. Okay, Now when you move it to the right side, it indicates that you know the term. If you move it to the yellow left side, then it is understood that you don't know the term. Then you can learn the same term again after some time. Okay. Now atom.
Smallest unit of matter.
When you click on that flashcard, that will show the answer of that. Atom is the smallest
Atom.
smallest
unit of matter.
So if you know that, then you move it to the right side.
Atomic number.
Atomic number is the sum
Number of protons in an atom.
Protons in an atom. Okay, you know it.
Neutron.
Neutron is a neutral one. Okay.
Nucleus of atom.
Nucleus of an atom. It is at the center. Okay.
Atomic mass.
Atomic mass. Okay.
Electron.
Electron. You know
a
that.
subatomic particle that has a negative charge.
All right.
Proton.
Proton. If you don't know the proton, if you want to learn about proton, if you are not clear about that, you learn it. You move it in the left side.
Periodic table.
Periodic table.
A chart of the elements showing the repeating pattern of their properties.
Okay. So here it is showing the results. Okay. You have learned 7 terms. So I have not practiced the one. Okay. So it is not showing that 7 only.
Proton.
So this proton I have not learned. I have moved it in the left side, yellow side. So again, when you learn it,
a subatomic particle that has a positive charge and that is found in the nucleus of an atom.
So now you can move it in the right side. Then we can go back. Okay, right. Now I am going to the third option, right. Now I am going to the third option, right. Okay, when you press
number
on the
of protons in an atom.
So number of protons in an atom is called as atomic number. Okay. Now for right option, you have to type each and every word, each and every answer using your keyboard. So it takes a lot of time. Atomic number, you have to type it like this. Then you press
atomic number.
Then
a subatomic particle that has a positive charge and that is found in the nucleus of an atom.
So like this, you have to answer each and every question by typing the answer. So it takes a lot of time. So I am going back now. I am now going to the fourth option, that is match. It is very easy and very attractive game. Now when you press on the match, you have to start the game. Now after going to this, you will see the total words and the answers to match within this. So first you check, or once you read all the screen, then you go on for the easiest option. So suppose the periodic table is there. So what is the periodic table? It is a list of all the elements. Okay, chart. Okay, right. So when you click on the right option, then the question and answer both will disappear from the screen and you will be left with the others. Next, proton. What is proton? The positive charged element particle. Okay, so here this is. Okay, I am pressing on that. So next I have told neutron. So what is neutron? It is the neutral one with no charge. Okay, right. Next, atom. What is atom? The smallest unit of matter. Okay, right. Now what is atomic mass? Atomic mass. What is atomic mass? The subatomic particle. No, here this is the answer. Now what is electron? Subatomic particle. Okay, I have played this game or matching test in 81.5 seconds. But when you first learned that, then you can play it again, and one more option is there to share that quiz. So you can share the quiz to your friends by WhatsApp or some other social media, and you can challenge the same game to play by your friends within your record time. So the record time here is 81.5 seconds. Now if I want to play the game same again, okay, now I can go to the game again and I can complete that uh, very fastly. Nucleus. So I have played the same game within 33.4 seconds. Now you can challenge your friends to play this game. Now I am going to the next step. The last step is test. Now when you go to the test, you will get some options also. What questions you want to uh, answer. So here the written questions are very time consuming. So I am unchecking this. Now multiple choice and true or false questions are there. So if you want to complete the more fastly, you can just select true or false. Then I am checking it. Okay, true or false. Atomic number is total weight of protons and neutrons. Is it right or not? So if it is right, then you can click on true. If it is wrong, you can click it on the false. Okay, false, right. The subatomic particle that has no charge. So electron has actually negative charge, but the answer is option is given as no charge. So that is wrong. So false. Neutron that has no charge. So it is true, right? Nucleus of an atom. Subatomic particle that has negative charge. So that is wrong. Okay, wrong, false. So it is showing in yellow color. Right answer. What is proton? Proton is a subatomic particle that has positive charge. So this is right answer. Right option is there. So the answer is true. But if I click on the wrong answer, then what it shows? Let us check. Right. Okay, next. Atomic mass. What is atomic mass? Actually, it is the mass of the protons, but here it is showing it as a periodic table. So this is false. But if I am clicking on true, okay, so something is wrong. Okay, periodic table. Atom total weight of it. So it is wrong. So okay, now the quiz is something is wrong in there. Okay, you can play another test also. Now what is here? So it is showing you as score percentage and how you missed 3 out of 8. So what 3 questions I have missed? You can retake that also. So what the 3 questions are there? Atomic mass. So this is actually what is atomic mass? It is false. The options are false. So next, what is electron? The option given here is wrong. So it is false. Atom. So it is also false. Okay. So it is showing all the questions again, once again. Total weight of proton is also false. Neutron, no charge. True. Nucleus, subatomic particle that has a negative charge. False. Proton, a positive charge. True. Atomic number, the total weight of protons and neutrons. False. Okay, now I have reached 100%. So in this way you can learn again once again when you go to the test. So this is our target now. Okay, so if you reach this, you can say that I have learned this 8 terms that are given in this test. You have learned that. So now I am going back. So this is the method of learning using the Quizlet app. Now if I want to learn some more I am on the initial dashboard now. Now if I want to learn about human eye, okay, then again you are getting so many options here. So in this test you are learning 50 terms. In this test you are learning 20 terms, and you can have so many options. After one by one you can complete all these, and you can create the classes also, and these are the names of the teachers. Okay, so this is the method of learning using the Quizlet app without sign up. So we have not signed up, we have not given our email address, we have not given our name or mobile number or something. So it is easy to learn by using Quizlet app. Hope you enjoyed this and learned something in this. So in the next video I will try to uh, give the same Quizlet app by using the sign up process. After signing up, you can add the questions, how to sign up, and how to add the questions, and how to make your own quiz based on your own textbook syllabus. Okay, hope you enjoyed it, and try to learn from the Quizlet app. Thank you for watching it.